Hello everyone, my name is Carol and welcome aboard to Knitting on the Hook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a simple stockinette stitch hem. So let's get to it. First, knit several rows of waste yarn and a row of ravel cord. For this sample, I want the hem to be 1.5 inches, so I'm going to knit 8 rows first. Because the fabric is going to be folded in half for the hem, I'm going to require to knit 8 more rows. Before hanging the hem, we can now remove the claw weight and the comb. With the single prong transfer tool, we're going to pick up the live stitches along the edge and hang them back on the needles. When you reach the end, you will be short 1 stitch, but there's no need to worry, it is just the nature of the knitting. Bring forward your needles into each position, hang some weight. Because I have 2 stitches on the needles, I'm going to loosen up the tension dial by 2 numbers for the first pass of the carriage. And remove the waste yarn. This is the hem from the purl side. And the stockinette stitch side. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you would like to see more, click on the red subscribe button in the corner of the screen. It's going to take you to my channel where you can browse around. Thank you for watching Knitting on the Hook. Bye for now.